Product alignment successful. Row synchronization complete. Please stand clear of the automated machinery.
Crisp, high-resolution codes every time, optimizing your supply chain logistics.
Box 37 transitioning to level 4. Palletizing sequence initiated. Error in sector gamma, diverting to manual inspection.
With state-of-the-art automation, we can process pallets 10 layers high, maximizing efficiency.
Cutting sequence activated. Please maintain distance. Cycle complete. Attention all units. Zone 3 is now clear for transport. I repeat, Zone 3 clear. Pallet successfully inducted. Transfer to high bay storage confirmed. Inventory level updated. Storage transaction complete. Next retrieval sequence initiated. Loading sequence active.
Journey complete. Our fresh bread now reaches communities across the globe every single morning.
From the highway to our state-of-the-art facility, we ensure seamless transition and efficient delivery.
The bay clear yet?
Inside every box, you'll find only the highest quality golden loaves, sealed for freshness.
Baked fresh and delivered daily, ensuring perfect golden slices every time.
We take great care to ensure our bread is delivered fresh to your local store every morning.
My, that looks wonderful. I think I'll take a loaf of the sourdough.
So soft, so fresh, the perfect slice every time.
Item scanned. Please proceed to the bagging area.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too.
It feels good to be home. The sunset today is absolutely perfect.
Look at that beautiful golden crust. It's perfectly sliced.
This is the best sandwich I've ever had.
It really is, honey. The bread is perfect.
Unit 7, you are approaching Gate 4. Ensure manifest is ready for scanning.
This is the culmination of years of research. Our integrated laboratory and production facility.
Please ensure all samples are secured before the next cycle begins.
The caliper allows us to verify the precise thickness of each slice, guaranteeing the perfect loaf every time.
Okay, sample 7 is complete. Crumb structure appears consistent with the prior readings.
Batch code confirmed. Quality assurance parameters met.
All systems are reading green across the board. Unit 42. Confirmed. Data integrity is at 100%.
All samples logged and verified. Transferring to data storage now.
The structural analysis confirms optimal uniformity.
Document scan complete. File accepted.
System overview confirms phase alignment across all 7 production lines. Efficiency is currently holding at 98%.
Executive Suite access restricted to authorized personnel. Please verify clearance.
Our successful production yield this quarter highlights the efficiency of the new process. We are seeing unprecedented growth across all key metrics. As you can see, the golden texture is exactly what we aimed for in this sample.
This section here confirms the scalability.
Excellent work. It's conclusive.
Then we are ready to proceed.
Welcome to the future of agriculture, where technology meets sustainability on an unprecedented scale.
Our state-of-the-art facility is designed for maximum efficiency and groundbreaking research.
Access granted.
System check complete. All parameters are within acceptable limits.
We use the digital caliper to ensure perfect consistency in every slice, accurate to the finest degree.
We place the sample inside the thermal unit to monitor long-term stability. The environment is precisely controlled.
The calibration is holding steady across all lines.
Good. We are maintaining the 0 defect threshold this quarter.
Automated Transport Unit 7, proceeding to Data Analysis Sector. All samples verified. Processing complete.
The throughput on line 4 is exceeding projections by 15%. We should maintain this pace.
All sectors clear.
Executive Override Protocol engaged. This distribution strategy is approved. Excellent work, everyone. We are set for the launch. Vehicle access approved. Proceed to loading bay Gamma 7. Access granted. Analysis Station 4. System check initiated. All parameters are within tolerance.
Measurement confirmed at 15.00 millimeters. The loaf meets specifications.
We use the Advanced Texture Analyzer to measure the elasticity of the crumb structure.
Badging Dr. Aris. Please report to the main laboratory immediately.
The thermal monitoring unit ensures precise control over long-term freshness and shelf stability, critical for product quality. We're showing a consistent zero defect rate across the morning run. Excellent. The new calibration sequence is working perfectly. All personnel are reminded to verify sample integrity before transfer. Next safety inspection is scheduled for 1400 hours.
Just as expected. Perfect quality control.
Copy that. The batch is approved. Bringing the physical documentation to the console as requested.
File processing initiated. Transfer complete. Status active.
The automated facility is running at peak efficiency. We've optimized the robotics here, resulting in a significant boost to the production statistics.
Executive corridor scan complete. No anomalies detected. All systems operating within parameters.
Our successful production metrics highlight the efficiency of the new process.
This is the finalized loaf for the executive review. It meets all specifications for color and consistency.
This state-of-the-art facility represents the future of integrated development and manufacturing, bringing our vision to life.
Sector Gamma clearance confirmed. Proceed with Level 3 diagnostics.
Analysis Station 4. System check complete. All parameters within tolerance.
And that is exactly 12.0 millimeters. Perfect consistency every time.
We're taking the samples down to genetics now.
All right, keep me updated on the sequencing run.
This thermal unit precisely monitors the long-term freshness and shelf stability of the sample. Synchronization is holding at 99.9%.
Reroute the data stream from Unit 4 to the main console.
Attention. Cart 7B proceeding to data room with verified samples. All personnel must keep pathways clear.
I have the approval sheet for the deployment.
Confirmed. Initiate transfer sequence. Alert localized in subsection C. Rerouting power now. Status normalized. Area secured.
As you can see, Q3 production yields surpassed all expectations. As you can see, the crumb structure is absolutely flawless, and the golden ratio is spot on. This distribution strategy guarantees market saturation.
Absolutely. It's a green light for the massive launch.
The real-time data shows a surplus in the Asia sector, adjusting the allocation for the upcoming quarter.
Real-time tracking engaged. All systems nominal for immediate dispatch.
Scan complete. Routing confirmed for pallet 24B.
All units cleared for immediate departure. Efficiency rating 99.8%.